Okay, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be doing an Elliott Wave analysis and providing a wave count on Bitcoin. So here we have the 3-day chart of Bitcoin. So this will be a bullish count. So here we have a contracting triangle for wave 2. As you can see, we had a nice breakout for wave 3, which we can put the Fibonacci extension tool and you'll find that we've got a perfect 2.6 extension for wave 3. And now we're currently in wave 4. So if you get a retracement from bottom of wave 1 to wave 3, as you can see, that gives us typically wave 4 can finish at the 38 fib or the 60 fib. Now, what I can see happening Bitcoin pushing higher before dropping down, completing wave 4 around the 60 fib. I think what you'll find is this will be an expansion flat. Now, we can take a little look at this structure, and the daily. Again, you'll find B, C, and we've basically got 3, 3, 3, and we're going to have a 5-wave move to complete wave C. Now, what I think we've got here is an expanding flat in play for wave 4. Now, what I'd like to do now is I'd like to put some channels so we can see how that works. So firstly, I'd like to mark out the baseline channel. Now, this is why it's important that we identify the correct corrective structure so we can get an accurate reading for our base channel. So the base channel will be set from the bottom of wave 1 to the bottom of wave 2. You just let me put this on magnet. So we've got the bottom of wave 1, bottom of wave 2, and the top of wave 1. Now this gives us a baseline for wave 1, and what normally happens is wave 4 will finish or bounce around the top of this channel. Now we can put a channel on this structure. Now if this was just a simple zigzag A, B, C, what we'd do is we'd place our channel top of wave 3B, we bring that down, and that would give us an estimated finishing point for wave C. But in this case we've got an expanding or a running flat in play. What we've got shown here at the minute is an expanding flat. So we need to put the channel and set it up for an expanding flat. So here we go, we will start here, we put the top of the channel here, and then we'll place the bottom at termination of wave A. So what you'll find is in an expanding flat, it'll tend to finish, in a running flat it'll tend to finish in the middle. Now, just move this. Okay, just so we can see all this detail. Okay, so I quite fancy this as a support level. And what you find is we've got possible ending through the middle line of the channel. Now, if this wouldn't be an expanding flat, and it was just like I was showing you on this diagram, if this was just a zigzag, then you'd be expecting more downside. But because it's already took the high, we don't expect it to come down, and we expect it to finish above the baseline channel. Hence the reason why I think we've got another wave down and Bitcoin isn't quite bullish. So what we'll have then is wave 5. Now we can set another channel to determine wave 5. Now one way we can do it is with the Fibonacci. From the top of wave 3 to the estimated end of wave 4. Just change these settings, and we just want the 1.6 and 1.2 will be fine. Just shrink this down. So I would say we'd be looking to finish wave 5 somewhere in this box. So let's get a channel for wave 3. Okay, Fib channel. Okay, so we can set that from the top of wave 1 to the top of wave 3, and then we can pull it down to the start of wave 2. And again, you can see it's a lot of interaction in all the channels, and this is where I expect wave 4 to finish. And it could be called a running flat if it holds this low, which is what I was expecting. And then let's have a look about the wave 5. So yeah, we've got a nice target for wave 5 around 86, 87. Okay, so there we have it, folks. That's my analysis for Bitcoin. So we've got a price prediction for Bitcoin, wave 5. We've got the latest Bitcoin drop in play, expected to finish around the 29,000-30,000 mark, and we're expecting it to turn bearish again around the 47,000 mark. So there we have it. Thank you very much for joining me. Please check out the description below and please subscribe. Thanks, bye.